Hi you guys, it's Marcy Sauter, the Rusty Blonde. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share some alternative cleaning hacks for you guys since, as you all know, going to the stores and finding your disinfectant wipes, your disinfectant cleaners, your hand sanitizers, hand wipes, that those are really hard to come by these days. So I have 5 different alternatives that are great, and you can, maybe you have these supplies at the house, maybe you don't, but anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So these are your regular disinfectant wipes, your regular disinfectant cleaner, which are very hard to come by. So those are the 2 major, like, cleaning products, disinfectant wipes. And then you have your little disinfectant hand wipes, and then obviously your hand sanitizer, which all 4 of these products and every different brand that's made are very hard to come by. So if you don't have those available to you and you are literally scrambling and not knowing what to do, I have some solutions for you. So the first 2 I'm going to share with you are actually make yourself. So they can, anyways, maybe you have this stuff at home, maybe you don't. So I'll just jump right into it. So the first one is a disinfectant spray. Okay, so you get any sort of spray bottle, and you're going to get 1 cup of water and 1 cup of alcohol, rubbing alcohol. And you're gonna mix those 2 together, and then if you have essential oils, you can put 20 to 30 drops of lavender or tea tree oil. And anyways, you shake that up, and now you have a decent disinfectant spray. As you know, alcohol kills everything. So you can spray that on your countertops and leave it there, you know, and wait, give it a minute or 2, and then you go behind it and wipe it off. Doorknobs, everything, even down to you could spray it on a paper towel and clean your electronics. So as we all know, alcohol is very effective in killing germs and bacteria. So that is number 1, your homemade disinfectant spray using water, alcohol, and then lavender or tea tree oil. And that part is optional. It's just to give it a nice fragrance and add a little bit more of that, you know, because lavender and tea tree oil are both made to enhance a lot of cleaners. So that's my first one. My second one is creating your own disinfectant wipes. And you're all thinking, well, how can you do that? Well, let me tell you. So you can either, if you have an empty disinfectant container, you can use this, or you can use like a round coffee can. I found works best because of the size of roll of toilet paper. See, it's on my mind. Toilet paper. No, paper towels. What you're gonna need is a roll of paper towels. This is a Costco roll. Okay, so you get a roll of paper towels, a can or container or whatever that the paper towel roll can fit in. So in this demonstration, I'm using a canister because, as you all may know, Costco rolls are quite large. So anyways, so if you have an old canister laying around, this is great to do it in. But basically, you're going to take a roll of paper towel, and you're going to take your bread knife, and you are literally going to cut this baby right in half. Okay, so you're going to cut this in half, and then you're going to end up with 2 rolls. You're going to stick 1/2 of the roll in here. Take the lid off, and then you're going to get a measuring cup. Okay, mine is so pretty and fancy. But anyways, this is just a 4-cup measuring cup. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put 2 cups of water in this, and then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of vinegar to your water, and then you're going to get this Blue Dawn soap. Now, and you're going to add 1 tablespoon of the Blue Dawn soap to your water and vinegar here. You're going to whisk it up, and then also optional, you can add 20 to 30 drops of your lavender or tea tree oil to enhance it and for a nice smell. But anyways, you're gonna mix that in, and then once that's mixed, let me grab this here. You're going to, now remember, this is in your container, but then you're going to slowly pour around and around and let the paper towels absorb all of the moisture that's going in. So basically you pour all of that to your half roll of paper towels, and then you put the lid on and you just kind of move it around and make sure that it's absorbing all of the disinfectant you put in there. So then you have on the go or in your house disinfectant wipes, and you can also use that in a spray bottle as well if you want to make and mix that and then just use paper towels as you spray it. So that is my second alternative to cleaning and disinfecting your house. See, one thing a lot of Americans and a lot of people aren't aware of is that these disinfectant wipes, if you happen to read the fine print on these, it takes 4 minutes to actually kill the 99.9% of bacteria and crap that is on all of your surfaces. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I have never used these and made sure it stayed wet for 4 minutes. Never. If you have, let me know, because you deserve an award, because I haven't heard of one person that's been able to do that. Now, I have heard that any cleaning products you use, they put that 99.9% logo on the front of everything to catch your attention. But any cleaner you use, if you let it sit on your counter, it will kill the bacteria. You know, most of it will kill the bacteria that's on there. So hi Blake, my kids are out back and home. So anyways, okay, so that is option number 2. So you have the first one, which is your disinfectant your disinfectant spray with alcohol. Your second one is the disinfectant, either spray or wipes. It's optional, your choice. Okay, so these, my third one is there two subscriptions, not prescriptions, 2 subscriptions I have. Actually, just one. But if any of you have ever heard of Melaleuca, they're a natural cleaning company, and I just happen to have a membership. My mom and I do. So they offer what's called Soluguard. And this stuff, you buy the concentrate, and I don't know how, maybe it's $6 for this or something. But basically you buy the concentrate and you buy an empty squirt bottle. I think they're like $1.50 or maybe even $1. But then you put half of this into your squirt bottle, fill the rest up with water. So this one bottle of concentrate makes 2 large bottles of disinfectant spray. So this is a great alternative, and they also offer this in the wipes. So it's funny, I had actually happened to order 2 bottles of this a month ago. So I had these on hand before this whole coronavirus thing went crazy. But so that is my third option. Okay, so my fourth option is pretty exciting. Wait, I did 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, my fourth option. Okay, it's pretty exciting, you guys. Have you ever heard of Norwex? It is an online cleaning company. They are earth friendly. All of their products use plastic bottles, water bottles, you know, because those can't be, you can recycle them, but there's so much plastic being used and wasted. It's ending up in our oceans. And anyways, so this company, it's called Norwex, Norwex, and these are their towels. Okay. So these are their kitchen towels, and they make all things for everything. But I love their kitchen towels, and I love their sponges. They are laced with silver. So with water, just water on these, it kills 99.9% bacteria. It is a natural disinfectant every time you use these. And so they are pretty pricey when you buy them up front. I think 2 sponges was $20. But the beauty about it is I just throw them in my dishwasher and wash them with my dirty dishes. Or when I have a load of hand towels, I wash them in my washer with my hand towels. So these have been great. I think I have 4, and they're awesome. So anyways, and it just makes me feel so much better knowing that I'm killing those germs on contact with just my rag and water. And it doesn't take 4 minutes like the alternative wipes do. It's on contact. You should go to their website. They have videos on all of their products, but I just placed another order, ordering more rags. But anyways, they have kitchen, bathroom, hand towel. They have pads for their floors, which that's the other thing. I bought their mop system, and it's just Velcro. This is made up of 70% recycled water bottles. I think it's 2.5 water bottles per pad is used. So that's really nice to know that you're helping our planet in that sense. But these, it's the same thing. All you do is get this puppy wet, you wring it out, you Velcro it to your mop, and you are disinfecting your floor without all of these harmful cleaning products. So anyways, I have 2 of these. They make wet and dry. I don't like the dry. I have all sorts of vacuums that I love using. And I have doggies. So anyways, those, I just don't like those. I preferred vacuum, but oh my gosh, this is a lifesaver. So that is also great. It just kills everything that it comes in contact with. The last 2 items of the Norwex family that I have, they have a window one, and this is great because my daughter cleans our bathrooms. So she just wets this, uses it on the mirrors, and it not only cleans it, but it disinfects and kills everything on contact. And the last one I have is their duster. So what I do is, like I said, I have doggies, and I live like in kind of a farming area, so that there's a lot of dust. And this time of year is beautiful. We always have our house open, so I probably dust 2 to 3 times a week. So my daughter will get the Swiffer, and she'll swift all the, particles and dust away. And then we'll take this rag and wipe it all. And it is nice because it's killing and disinfecting your house when you use it. So those are one of my top favorites. I love these because, again, they're quick and easy. You just grab it, get it wet, wring it out, and you go to town, and it's being clean and disinfected. Hi, Livy. You don't need to crawl around. You can walk around. Okay, so my 5th alternative to this whole fiasco of being out of cleaning products and disinfectant wipes are lens wipes. You can say hi. Hi. This is Olivia. She's, as you all know, they're all home from school. But, okay, so my number 5 are these lens wipes. People, I don't think, have figured this out yet, but there are alcohol in these. And you can use them they're made for your glasses and small electronics. But in an emergency, which we are in a state of emergency when it comes to hand sanitizers, you can use these for your hands. Use these on your keys, use these on whatever. But these are great. I don't think that people have figured this out yet, that you can use these, because I've seen them in every Walmart I go to. So Walmart, Fry's, they have them above their optical center. They're in their optical center above all of the contact lens solution stuff. But anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for anyone out there that is struggling to find cleaning supplies. You can go to Melaleuca.com and order through them. They're cleaning, and they have a wide variety of cleaning, food, vitamins, cold medicine, you name it, they have it. And then, but again, my top favorite are these Norwex cloths, and that's because Again, you grab them, you get them wet, and you are cleaning and disinfecting your house on contact. There's no 4-minute waiting period like all of these hand sanitizers and cleaning wipes, disinfectant wipes that are being made. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope that this helps some of you out there, and maybe you can share this with some of your friends and families to give them ideas on how they can keep their house clean and anyways, keep your family safe. All right, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on my next video. Bye.